Hey, what's up? What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Lewis coming at you with another quick tutorial. Alright, now today I'm gonna go ahead and show you this really cool, simple trick, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to remove all images at once from a Word document, okay? Now, from time to time, you may probably have to do this if you have hundreds, if not thousands of images. Just imagine if you have to do one of them at a time. That'll be really frustrating. Alright, now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and load several images right here. As you can see, I have my blank Word document right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and load some pictures here. All right, just that way you can see the example and get going. All right, so go to my downloads here, have about 10-11 pictures, you know, just random images, as you can see. So all right, we're gonna come right over here to the upper part, which is your ribbon. Then right here where you have the editing part, you have this right there where it says replace. You can go ahead and activate it by clicking right on that, or as you can see right there below, you can go ahead and activate that by just pressing Control H. Either or will go ahead and give you this pop-up right here. All right, now once you get this pop-up, you're gonna go ahead and type the following. You're gonna go ahead and type in the caret sign plus the letter G. Now you're probably wondering, what's the caret sign? All right, it's the cursor, as some people call it, or the up arrow key. All right, so I'll go ahead and show you right here. I'll go ahead and pull up my on-screen keyboard. So you're gonna go ahead and activate the caret sign by pressing Shift. Let me go ahead and put this right there. All right, there we go. You go ahead and press Shift plus the letter plus the number 6. Now that's going to be on an English keyboard, okay? As you can see, that's the caret sign right there. So it's, remember, Shift plus 6. All right, so then right after that, just press G, and this is where the magic happens. All right, remember, we have 11 images in the Word document. Then right after, you go ahead and type in caret sign plus G. Just go ahead and click that right there where it says replace all. As you can see, you get that message right there. All done. We made 11 replacements. You press OK. You exit out of that, and then look at that. Once again, we have a blank Word document. We removed all the images. All right, so that's going to be it for this tutorial, okay? Just really quick, simple trick that could really come in handy from time to time. All right, so gonna go ahead and please ask you to go ahead and like and subscribe, activate the bell for notifications. Thank you for checking out my channel. Peace out.